A nonprofit government watchdog group called OpenTheBooks.com has been digging into city spending, and the cost of new security cameras for the district attorney's office. Well, new records show the DA spent at least $32,000 on cameras, some of which are equipped to record audio. Here to explain those numbers in more detail, though, and the spending is Deputy Editor Rachel O'Brien. Good morning, Rachel. And my first question is, what does the DA's office have to say about their use of these cameras?
Right. So as you mentioned, we got 16 invoices that totaled $32,000 for spending on cameras in 2020 and 2021. The DA has said he stood by using these cameras. Some of them record audio. I should mention that the $32,000 is for all of their camera spending in 2020, 2021. Some of the invoices were redacted, so we're not totally sure how much of that $32,000 was spent on cameras that can record audio, but the DA is standing by his use of cameras that record audio. He has said that they are for legitimate security purposes. You know, he said in a letter, the Attorney General is now investigating, and he said in a letter to the Attorney General, we've never conducted any unauthorized audio or video recording of any area where a person has a legitimate expectation of privacy. He said we know what the law allows and what the law prohibits. So he's saying that there is a legitimate security reason for using these cameras.
Okay, Rachel, you said at least $32,000. Does that number catch you by surprise? I mean, how does this compare to other areas? I'm curious.
Yeah, so I mean, we haven't requested camera spending in other DA offices, so we really don't have anything to compare it to. $32,000, you know, this equipment can be expensive, so $32,000 may or may not be a lot. I mean, that is only from 2020 and 2021, from one specific vendor. Where the invoices say that vendor sold them cameras with audio. That doesn't include any 2022 spending. It also doesn't include spending from any other vendors where the DA may have purchased this equipment from. The DA didn't respond to our questions, including, you know, to say why they redacted some of these invoices.
Okay. Rachel O'Brien with OpenTheBooks.com. Thanks so much for your time this Friday morning.